Thank you for awesomely defeating that thing back there. It was the core of deconstructive, destructive force.
With that thing gone, balance was instantly restored. I appreciate your swift form.
I appreciate the sentiment. You had some swift moves back there too, Willy Wonka.
From my vantage, 1,000 screens across the lattice of the Aether, I have witnessed your triumph, unraveling its chaos before it could unmake
Pardon
the
me,
spheres.
could I get my own island? I think it would be a hefty flex.
A beacon for all who come after.
Watch this.
You are not just an emissary now, Tak. You are a keeper of realms. Your journey between planets was not just passage through space, but through the deeper currents of intention. You carried the will of balance into places where even my sight faltered, and you returned with victory blazing in your way. The Aether itself hums with your achievement. My screens will replay this moment in infinite clarity.